What are you doing there, Mini Trucks?
Grandpa Ted, look at us! We're making some soup!
Ooh la la! It looks like mud mixed with stones.
And a bit of grass.
But that's not really how you make soup now. I know someone who's great who could teach you. Everyone to truck control.
Woohoo! Now let's all go faster!
My dear Mini Trucks, your challenge for today is to join my friend Chef Cookie at his restaurant.
But why do we call him Chef?
Because he's in charge of everyone.
No, Alex. Chef is the name we give to the professional cooks that work in a restaurant. They're chefs of the kitchen.
Oh!
That's right, and you're going to help him with his preparation. I will therefore equip you with mechanical arms so that you can pick up anything and do all that you need to do to learn to cook. I'm programming the launch pad to send you to the restaurant. Are you ready to become real chefs, Mini Trucks? Four, three, two, one. Mini Trucks, go!
Hello, Chef Cookie!
Hello there, Mini Trucks. So I've been hearing that you're all budding junior cooks.
Yes, but we're not very good yet.
I'm happy to help you. Here's a list of the vegetables that I need for my soup. 3 carrots, 2 potatoes, and 1 tomato. You can find all of them in the garden behind the restaurant. Divide yourselves into 2 teams, and the first team back with all these ingredients is the winner.
Alex, you come with me.
Alice, let's be together.
And you're off.
I will try to get these here. Yeah! Beginner's luck!
Bravo, Alice. We have 3 carrots. Here I go. Do you think that looks like a tomato?
Yep, let's go find some potatoes! How cool! They're potatoes! We have exactly 2.
Hurry, it looks like they've nearly finished.
Quick, Alex! We have to find the other ingredients!
Look, here are carrots. Oh no, it's grass.
It doesn't matter. Look over there!
Tomatoes! We just need to pick them.
Quick! They're going to finish first! Let's hurry, Alex!
Quick, Lisa, we're almost there.
That is what you think! Oh no! I think they won!
And now, let's see what you've got. Carrots, that's good. Potatoes, that's good. Oh, but you don't have a tomato.
We do have a tomato.
That is not a tomato. It's a bell pepper. Look at this. This is a bell pepper, and this is a tomato. Ah, but you have found a tomato. Well done. Potatoes, very good. Oh, you're missing the carrots. Well, in the end, the 4 of you have managed to bring me back all the vegetables on the list.
Does that mean we all won?
Exactly right. Yup, in the soup. And to thank you for your work, you get real chef hats.
Wow! Oh, look, Grandpa! All of us are real chefs at last!
Bravo, my dear Mini Trucks. I'm very proud of you.
So then, shall we taste the soup?
Grandpa! Me first,
My dear Mini Trucks, you have definitely deserved the little chef's trophy.
Alex, I already told you it's impossible. No, but it's written that it's true.
And I say it's true as well.
What seems to be the problem here, Mini Trucks?
They don't believe me that the red berry cordial oasis is real. Tell them, Grandpa.
Alex is correct. The red berry cordial oasis is very real.
Ha ha! I told you guys that it exists. Tell us, Grandpa Ted, how can we go there?
The oasis is in the middle of the desert, but to really go there, you have to be a master of the sand.
Oh, pretty please, Grandpa, can we all go?
Of course you can, mini trucks. Everyone to truck control.
Woo-hoo! Yeah, let's go!
Dear mini trucks, you must know it's very difficult to reach the red berry cordial oasis.
But why, Grandpa?
To cross the sand desert is a real challenge, you see.
Really? Although it's not too difficult to drive on sand.
I'll let you see for yourself then. I am programming the launch pad to send you into the middle of the desert. Ready to launch now. 4, 3, 2, 1. It's time to go, mini trucks.
Whoa! Wow! Look at that! It's the red berry cordial oasis!
It's awesome! Go for it!
There are cacti everywhere. We can't go down there.
Yes, we can. Look, we can go around. There are fewer cacti on the sides.
Oh no! I'm stuck now! You're stuck in the quicksand!
Grandpa Ted!
Come on, we need to get him out of there now. Jeremy and Alice, go get the equipment. Everything we need is in my tune-up tunnel. With this suction hose, Alex should be out of the quicksand in no time. Lisa, we're gonna give them some tempo. Hee-ho! 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 Well done, mini trucks. What a brave thing you did.
Thank you! I'm really glad you were here. But if we can't get past on this side, how will we get to the oasis?
We have to go in between the cacti.
You all better watch out for your wheels, mini trucks. On a slope like this, the sand can be very slippery.
We're gonna slide through slowly then, Grandpa. Wow, I call this control. Wow! The red berry cordial oasis! Oh, goodness! You okay, Jeremy?
I guess I didn't totally master the sliding on the sand.
Don't get discouraged. At least we ended up getting here.
Hey, look over there. What is that? They look like straws.
Well done, mini trucks. You made it here at last. That means you get the Masters of the Sand Cup. After your hard work, enjoy your earned treat. Add your straws, ready, and go.
It's so good!
Oh, yeah! Have you ever heard about the orange juice ocean?
No way! That doesn't exist!
Yes, it totally exists!
Oh, Go, Alex! You're gonna make it!
Hello there, mini trucks. Are you stretching your wheels?
No, Alex just wanted to be like Tony Truck.
Yep, but there's a long way to go.
You know, Tony Truck happens to be a good old friend of mine.
You are friends with Tony Truck? He's the greatest stuntman ever! How do you know him,
Well, it was during a film shoot that we did a very long time ago. Bravo, Tony Truck! You're the best stuntman that ever existed.
This movie's gonna be a big hit, Ted.
Wow. But Grandpa, were you really in a movie?
Sure I was. Now let's all head to Truck Control!
Let's go for our adventure!
For this mission, you are going to have to train with Tony Truck to become wonderful and real stunt trucks yourself. But before you begin, listen to one last very important thing.
You mean like we mustn't forget our snacks?
No, Jeremy. For your own protection, you'll be wearing a special helmet.
Whoa!
Let's go now, mini trucks! I am programming the launch pad to send you over to the skate park where Tony Truck is. 4, 3, 2, 1, mini truck, go!
Wow! So cool!
Hey there, mini trucks. Your Grandpa Ted informed me of your arrival. I also hear you want to become apprentice stuntmen then?
Yeah! So then that means we can be an action movie?
That's right, but tell me, what do you think you might need to succeed with your stunts?
Me, I know. Don't be afraid and just go for it. Go!
Alex is upside down again with his 4 wheels.
He is. I think just going for it isn't his thing, you guys. You might just discover the stuntman's secrets if you succeed in this task. Now watch me closely. Here we go. That's a job well done.
I got it. We should go very, very slowly.
It's my turn! My turn!
No, I'm going first.
Oh no! Don't go together! And that's why I warned you. It's your turn, Lisa. Can you do better than your brothers and sisters?
Well, let me think about it first. I think I've got it! Bravo, Lisa!
But how did you do it?
If we go too slow, we don't have enough momentum. And if we go too fast, we take off and finish up rolling and crashing. We must watch our speed at all times.
Yes, that's correct. You have just found out the secret of stuntmen.
Can we try again, Tony Truck?
But of course, go ahead. Yes, the ramp is all yours.
Please.
I got it!
Me too.
Bravo! Very soon, you could be starring in action movies like real super trucks.
Awesome.
Thank you, Tony Truck! We're up! We did it!
We finally have discovered a stuntman's secret. What's this? Piece of cake.
It's so easy!
Congratulations, mini trucks! For this, you have earned your great stuntman's cup. And every year, on the night of Halloween, a very jealous ghost steals all of the sweets from all of the children, and then goes and hides in the lighthouse to eat his candy. The end.
Oh, but that just isn't fair.
He can't be allowed to do that! There must be some kind of way to stop him! Am I right, Grandpa?
Maybe there's something the 4 of you could do?
Oh, Grandpa, tell us, won't you, please?
Then come with me. Everyone to Truck Control.
Come on, let's stop the ghost who steals children's candy.
mini trucks, your challenge for today is to find the ghost thief who steals children's candy. But first, if you want to do it, you will have to come face to face with your very biggest fear.
I'm not afraid of anything, Grandpa.
Everybody is afraid of something, my little Ellis.
So where's the ghost hiding, Grandpa?
At the Trucksville Lighthouse. I am programming the launch pad to send you directly there, but beforehand, I am going to equip you with some headlamps, because night will be falling soon, and it will become very dark.
How do the lamps work?
You just have to say the words lights on, and they will light right up.
Wow, that's great.
Take good care of yourselves, my dear mini trucks. Prepare yourselves for launch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Mini trucks, go!
Hey, what's the matter, Jeremy?
I'm afraid of the dark.
Don't be afraid. We have these super headlights from Grandpa Ted. Watch me. Light on. Wow. It's your turn now.
Light on.
So then, are you still afraid?
I'm doing better. Super! Now let's go and find the ghost.
Did you all hear that?
It came from over here.
No, I think that it was coming from over there.
You go around one way and we'll go the other.
Okay, we are going to catch the ghost.
The ghost has spilled all of the boxes.
It can't be far. I hear a noise that's coming closer.
It's you.
But why were you screaming? We thought it was the ghost coming, but it was only you guys.
You okay, Alex? It's the ghost.
He's so huge. Hello. Come and see. This is not a ghost. It's just the shadow of a little snail.
Oh, yeah, it's true. Hello there, little snail.
You see, there is no reason to be afraid. It's the ghost!
Run for your life! Oh no, we can't escape!
Don't be afraid of me, my mini trucks.
Sam the pirate!
So then, you're the ghost thief who steals candy?
But of course I'm not. The truth is, every Halloween, I buy a lot of candy and give it all to the fearless mini trucks who are brave enough to come up right here.
So then it's a legend? There is no ghost who steals candy?
No, of course not, mini trucks. What an idea.
Happy Halloween, my dear mini trucks.
Grandpa Ted!
I see that you have unmasked the ghost thief.
Yes, it was only Sam the pirate.
Bravo, my mini trucks. You have proven yourselves to be very courageous. You have earned the Champion Cup for mini trucks who never show their face. Happy Halloween!